What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Trading Simplified. Today we are going to go over some stocks, do some analysis. Be sure to check out the channel. Thank you, members, for supporting the channel. Make sure you check out the membership only videos. I'm going to post the YouTube portfolio tonight for you guys to see. And for free stuff, definitely check out the playlist here. A lot of stuff to offer on here, or just go on the homepage and you can easily just go through here and see the popular videos, Investing Basics for Beginners, Fidelity Active Trader Pro, Mastering Fidelity Index Funds, ETFs, and Investment Strategies, as well as Vanguard and my past live streams that I have. Thank you guys so much. Today was a wild ride, and I believe that the market has bottomed. Did you buy the dip or did you not buy the dip? Look at this move at 9:40 in the morning, all the way down to 4:02. We get that fake news with the tariffs. It blasts up to 443. That's a 10% move in less than 20 minutes. I think the market, as long as it can hold these lows now, we're going to start to make our way up. Let's take a look at some of these levels here. Is QQQ going to hold this 420 level? I do believe that this will be a line in the sand, watching right here for that move. So definitely pay attention to this, zooming in on it so you can see. Few touches. We had the gap fill from 420 down to 402. That was quickly bought up right here. And now we're going to see tomorrow, can we break 430? Looking at the grand scheme of things, QQQ has sold off. If you're a long-term investor, does it make sense trying to nickel and dime it? In my opinion, it's better just to get in, dollar cost average in, and hold and wait for the V-shaped recovery that Tom Lee is proposing. Next, let's take a look. Amazon stock getting a lot of leeway here, getting pushed up here. Went all the way down in the morning at 4 a.m. to 160 and is all the way back up to 178. Look at this low here at 9:30 where it went from 161 all the way up, from 161 up here. That's a 15% move. Now it's back to 178. It's still up 10% from its lows. I'm thinking this is the bottom. I made some buys here. Definitely check out the YouTube portfolio as a member or join the WAP if you want to see the exact entries. They're in the direct chat where I post to them as I make the trades. Looking at Apple as well. Looking at the 6-month chart, we have sold off from all the way up 260 down here. We are starting to finally build a support. It has to hold these lows. Apple needs to hold 175 if we're going to have any chance of making moves higher for them. NVIDIA is another stock that I'm very impressed with. Look at the 5-day chart. We are sitting at resistance at $100 per share now. We'll just draw it right here. And you can see that this sold off pretty ugly at $86. And if you would have traded that fake tariff news, $86 all the way up here, 17% move in less than 30 minutes. But what's more impressive to me is not that 17% move, it's the fact that it's holding in the after hours. It's up 15%. So NVIDIA showing some signs of life. Is it going to hold this $100 level and then start to make a move like this, consolidate, and then start to make our move back up to 112? So definitely very interesting. Just because these stocks have sold off doesn't mean they can't come back. This is a monster pullback for anybody that buys NVIDIA. 153 all the way down to 86. 43% pullback for the best AI company out there. This is a no-brainer in my eyes. Now we're looking at Google. I've been calling these guys out. I've been buying these guys, lowering my cost basis. Check out the WAP if you want to see it. So here, I do believe, here's another bottom. We just got to hold the 145 range. Now, yeah, everybody says it's premature, but that was a nasty capitulation sell-off. And then V-shaped recovery right here. Now let's see, can we consolidate at 145, hold, and then make our next move higher towards 150 is what I would definitely be watching for that as well. Next, Microsoft stock was one of my favorite stocks. Overall, their chart doesn't look as good as everybody else on this 5-year. But you can draw this out here almost. You can see that there is some sort of semi-support right here starting to form. So we're going to see, is this level $350 for real? Is it going to hold? You can see right here we went to 344, popped up to 371. Let's see if we get a retest tomorrow up to that 370 level. let's just take a quick look at the SPY so you guys can analyze this as well. 5-year chart broke this trend. Now we pulled back to 480. A lot of selling pressure at that 520 back down to 500. The SPY needs to hold this 500 level to confirm that we're going to start to move higher. There's a lot of uncertainty out there, but it doesn't mean you shouldn't own things. I do believe in dollar cost averaging into your positions and then looking for the next best entry. That was Costco's right there, watching that 900 level. Just looking at Meta. Meta was a great move too, 480. They're all moving the same. Notice that. Every single big cap Mag 7 stocks moving the same. 930, got that news with the tariffs, then blasted up. 483 up to 539. It's got to hold this $515 level to make a move. SMH, I do believe that this is going to be a big runner this year. We've had a massive pullback from 280 all the way down to 170. It's a 40% pullback. I think SMH is on its way to start making, if it can recover the $200 per share level, we could definitely get a move back up. So looking at right here, you could see that there is support at this $200 level, but it's got to get past it first. So we have right here, if we can get that move back up, it has to prove itself and push up against 200 and then hold that level and keep moving forward. Dow Jones, DIA, looking very interesting. Look at this year to date. From 450 all the way down to 366, 18%. This is a no-brainer in my eyes. 18% pullback on the Dow Jones, and it's hitting support right here. To me, I love this. I bought some shares today of this bad boy. Join the YouTube membership or the WAP if you want to see the entries and what I'm planning to do with them next. To me, this is a no-brainer, waiting for this entry at 370. Now I want to see, is Dow Jones going to hold 380 tomorrow and make its move back up to 400?